I didn't grade.
Like Marco.
No, he used to do.
No, I do.
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Okay, so name each polynomial by degree and number of terms. So, what is the degree, the highest exponent?
It's 0.
It's a constant. And then how many terms does it have?
1. Monomial.
1. So it's a monomial. How many answers should all these have?
2.
Yeah, 2. Okay, every single one. You pick one from one column, one from the other column. Every single one. Okay. Look at 3. What is the highest exponent?
4.
4. So it's going to be quartic.
Oh, yeah, 4.
And then how many terms are there?
4.
4. So it's going to be a polynomial. Okay, 5. What's the highest exponent?
2.
2, so it's going to be quadratic. How many pieces are there?
1.
1. So it's going to be a monomial. Does anybody not remember or don't not get it? I know, but it's been a minute. Okay, 7. What's the highest exponent?
A 1. Constant. I mean 0.
It has none. It's just a number. And so this is what I was talking about. There's no x's. It's just a number, so it's going to be a constant. How many pieces?
1. So
1 piece, so it's going to be a monomial.
what the other side the same thing?
What do you mean? Like all the evens on that side?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, 9. These ones are the ones that simplifying radicals, okay? So we need to find, what do we do?
I don't know.
We just did it on Friday.
Oh, you found the little bracket thingy.
So we need the bracket thingies, and then what?
Yeah. 2 and 9.
2 and 9. We start dividing by 2, so we say 18 divided by 2, so we got 2 and 9. What's our magic numbers?
It's
1, 2, 3,
Not
5,
one,
6.
it's 2, 3, 5, 7.
Yeah,
That's
so-
how you build like Millhouse of the.
Shut that's why you just got your phone back.
Shut up, bro.
Do your work.
Still wearing shorts, dude.
Do your work.
Come on, quit, because my thing's on. I'll take a quit. Okay, so the magic numbers are 2, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, since I say don't take notes every day, maybe just write them on this sheet. Okay, those are the only ones you're allowed to circle. And then 9, we can go even further for 3 and 3. What is our group number?
2.
2. We can go in groups of 2. So who can we take? The group of 3s, and for every one we circle, where does it go?
Outside.
Outside. So 3 goes on the outside. Who can't go?
2.
2. What is our baby number?
What you mean? The X
2.
It's 2. There's no number on the outside.
But you don't have
It's
that.
a 2. Okay, and that lets us know our group number. Okay, so are we finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so we got 3 square root of 2. Bellinger, one more and I'm taking it. Okay, 150.
75.
Yeah, but remember what I told you? What some of you guys were doing like
Oh, yeah,
750. 10 and what?
10 and 15.
Yeah, 10 and 15 would
Why
give you
not?
150.
Oh, why not 2 and 75?
You can. So 150 is one of the easy ones, but when you have like I don't think they were doing like 750, you can pick off a 10 every single time. So we can say 2 and 75. What about 75?
3 and 25.
3 and 25. And 5 and 5. What's our group number?
2.
2. So who can go?
The 5.
The 5s, and where do they go?
Outside.
Outside. Who can't go?
3 and 2.
That's 3 and a 2.
2 and a 3. And then how many V's?
2.
We have 4.
Well, I'm saying 2 can go.
So 2 can go. We got 1 and 2. So we put V and V. So what are we going to get for the outside?
5v squared.
5V squared. And the inside?
6.
6. Okay. I'm not hating by any means, okay? And you know me, I'm not one of the people and I'm like, you need to show all your work, da-da-da. Okay? But for something like the letters, especially when we have a lot of them, some of you guys need to maybe write some of them out, okay? It seemed like, which granted we were racing, but when you guys were racing, even I tried to do them when I was racing Dante and whipping that ass. Okay, I tried to just like hurry up and like, okay, well I think I can take it. Okay, and so sometimes writing them out is almost more effective than not. You know what I mean? You're much more likely. What's up, loser?
I want to read.
You answered. You answered, so obviously you felt some type of way.
But you're supposed to multiply the numbers inside.
Inside and outside. So if there's more than one, otherwise we put 23 on the inside, and that don't make any sense. Okay? 72.
2 and 36.
2 and 36? You sure?
It is.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay. 36.
218.
2 and 18? 18.
2
2 and 9, 9.
3.
Okay, what's our group number?
2.
Huh?
2 and 3.
2, so who can go?
3 and
2 and 2. 2 and 3.
A group of 3s and a group of 2s, so we got a 2 and a 3 on the outside. Who goes back inside?
2.
1, 2. Okay, and I have 2 U's, so who can go?
A group.
1 group, so those go on the outside. And then I have 4 B's, so who can go? 2 of them can go. So I got V and V. So on the outside, you're going to have 6, yep, U, V squared to the 2.
Cody. Oh, this is a number?
Is there more on there? No, there was the last one.
No.
No, I got one more? Can I scroll?
No.
Well, you guys tell me when you're ready. Huh?
I'm very.
He was born.
Ethan, are you ready?
4.
For 15?
Can I scroll? Okay. Okay, 15. What do we do first?
Drop down that 6.
Perfect, loser. Thank you. Drop down the 6, way down here, okay, and then make your house. If you forget, then you're going to forget that 6 entirely, okay? So always make sure that that's the first thing that you do. Okay, so 147,
721.
7, oh, shoot,
374. No, it's 79.
3, Dante, shut up. What'd you say? Who's the one?
He just messed me up.
I know, me too. I started writing 374. What is it?
It's 721. 7 and 21.
Oh, 7 and 21.
Yeah.
3 and 7. Okay, so who can go?
2 7.
2 7s. Yeah. Okay, well, 1 group. Okay, so 7. And the 3's got to go back in there. And then I have 3 ends. Who can go?
1 group. 1 group.
1 group goes out, and 1 guy goes back in. So our number on the outside is going to be what?
42 and
42N. Inside?
3 and
3
3N.
and
Perfect. Okay, the rest are your guys' to do. Live long and prosper. You know what that's from?